it's me, Jane. Yeah, I got a haircut. But today we are going to be going outside to pop these. It's gonna be short. It's gonna be
some
short.
of them though.
It's just gonna be a short video.
No, it's not because
it's
we're gonna
really
be going back inside.
It's wet and cold. So let's go.
I'm just gonna put this hat on. I'm not putting a hat on, so let me just zip up. Locked and loaded. Let's go. Ladies, some vlogs. You already watched it. What's so interesting about watching it?
Because I haven't seen the beginning yet. Hey, let's go. Tell me when you're ready. First,
Hold on.
we're doing this time can.
Okay.
Is it Paul and pause? Okay. First, we're doing this time can. Ready? Ready? God. Ready?
Oh, jeez, that hurt my ear.
Okay, now time for.
Ooh. Did you hear that? It felt like a gunshot.
Okay, now it's time for this one. Look.
Okay, close your ears.
Time for this one.
If you're watching this video, close your ears.
Time for this one. And that one. Okay.
Okay, that one was not very
Okay, now
loud.
aim it at the ground.
I don't know how I can take this, but it... No snow yet.
Did you hear those?
Just no snow. But yes, Christmas!
Look, Dad, I twisted it and went. Oh, and then the other one I thought it would work, so I went to grab it. It went boom. And then I was like this, Dad.
Hey, who wants to see my brother's star? Jaden's the star of the tree. I made this. Hold on. Should say my name. Yep, there it is.
Brianna, come on.
Okay, I go. Time. I know. Okay, we're doing more of those. But first, I want to
You do them outside.
Yeah, we are. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. My dad's a florist. Stockings! We haven't hung them up yet, though. Okay, we're gonna go outside and film. Be right back when I'm outside. I'll pop some ticks. Oh, Jane. Look at that. We're popping all of them.
Yeah, we go. Okay, first we're going with this one because it's like no air in it, but who cares?
Please cover your ears during this video. I wonder what we're gonna call this. Hold on. We gotta.
This one's aired
Okay.
up. Brandon, feel
We're
this.
back and we
Feel this.
call it a name.
Feel this.
Look at this.
Squeeze, squeeze. Okay, ready? You're lucky. You get to cover your ears. Wait, is this going? Is this going? Okay, ready? Are you ready, guys?
Oh!
Okay, we got
I'm
another
pretty sure the fire chief could hear that. P.S. The fire chief lives right next door. Right over there. But they made a fence because they have a big dog.
one. Okay, ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it over with.
Woo!
Wait, you're gonna help me pick these up.
Okay, stomp it.
What?
Bang! Woohoo! Ew, a baseball. Ooh, it's wet.
What?
That baseball glove.
Ready? Boom, boom, boom.
I'm gonna pop some dogs. Oh my god. Whoa! That was right next to my ear. Okay.
Does
Yeah.
your ear hurt?
Yes, it does. Hey, you can see the Christmas tree from here. Look.
Okay, ready?
Hold on, let's show them the Christmas tree. Ta-da, there's the Christmas tree from outside. Oh! He just popped that thing in my ear. I'm pretty sure I can't hear out of this ear for like 5 years. I want to do one.
No, this time.
Celebration. Hold on.
Okay, I'm done. Let's go.
Okay, we're going to go inside.
Wait a second.
Ooh, and get warmed up.
Don't do much. Oh, time to go get some hot chocolate.
Yeah, let's go show them. Okay, we'll be right back once we're done getting our hot chocolate. Santa thing. I just had to show you. Yeah, we're getting new hot chocolate. We'll just unpause this whenever we got our hot chocolate. then we're gonna watch some TV. P.S. Watch the movie Elf. What channel is it on? No! We just made a new idea. Okay, we're making hot chocolate and, hold on.
Oreos are mine.
And my brother just came up with something. Don't put Oreos in your hot chocolate. But, hold on.
Mousetrap where?
Not a little bit.
Where's the mouse trap?
Okay. We get hot chocolate. Oh, shit, I get eggnog. But eggnog's almost gone. We use it for ice cream, though. Eggnog ice cream. Oh, it's my turn to put my hot chocolate in. This person's gross. He's drinking hot chocolate with nothing in it. Look at that. Oh, it's milk. Milk. Look at his hair. They cut the curls. They cut the curls.
Yeah.
Visitor.
Christmas?
Bryant? Yeah, that's your name. I forgot your name. Bryant. How's Sophia?
My cousin Mark, his daughter, she's turning 3.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what do you need? Like,
I'll have that one plus. It's going to get my hair unstuck from this nail. That hurt. I got my hair stuck on a nail, Jaden. It's on.
No, pause that.
Oh, I'm back. I got some
Celebrating our first Christmas at Grandma and Grandpa's new condo in Palm Springs. You're gonna have so much fun. No, Mom. You have to toddler proof.
Ooh.
Just so long as you don't touch anything. No, anything breakable has to be at least 3 feet off the ground.
Okay, tell me if this is cute. Just listen.
Reproof the place. Just so long as you don't touch anything. No, anything breakable has to be at least 3 feet off the ground.
It's good like Charlie. It's Christmas. She goes.
Make it 4.
Uh-oh.
Charlie, get back in here! No, stay away. There's shards.
My brother's coming back.
Are you
Well,
in the living room? You
we gotta say bye.
and stay away.
And please like and subscribe. That would do us really good.
Why are you so stressed out?
Bye, and we'll
Because
like
this is
all
an
your
extremely
videos.
important Christmas.
I left mine in the
Okay.
and it is perfect.
And there's my brother now. I was just saying bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Like and subscribe.
I already said that.
Okay.
You don't have to cook.
Okay, just bye.